Have you ever fallen down an internet rabbit hole and gotten confused about how the continents appear to be different sizes in different satellite photos of the Earth? This is again all about perspective. Here's a famous 1972 blue marble photograph of the Earth taken by the Apollo 17 crew from about 29,400 kilometers away and centered on about 26 degrees south and 37 degrees east. Using Cartopy's near-side perspective map projection, we can recreate this angle of observation with very close approximation. We can also change the camera's altitude to a geostationary distance of 36,000 kilometers and see that there is minimal change as the perspective from 29,000 kilometers provides a nearly complete disk. If we change the distance to something like a satellite in low Earth orbit, say 2,000 kilometers, we can see a drastic reduction in the disk area. So what about the 2012 blue marble, which is a composite from passes of the Visible Infrared Imaging Radiometer suite on the Suomi Polar Orbiting Satellite, put together by Robert Simmon? Of course, the Suomi orbits around 833 kilometers, which does not provide a matching image when plotted. However, the 2012 blue marble composite was rendered with the data projected as if the altitude was 2,100 kilometers. If we match the altitude of the projection in our plot, we get the same image. What about something like GOES 19, centered around 0 degrees south and 75 degrees west, and at a geostationary altitude of almost 36,000 kilometers? GOES 19 gets a full disk view for us every 10 minutes. Let's see how that view changes from 50 kilometers above the surface to 35,792 kilometers. You can recreate this perspective effect with a desk globe in your cell phone camera at different distances, or with a drone, or just aiming the camera at the ground and raising it up. I hope you enjoyed this demonstration. The code I use is available in my GitHub, with a link in the description, as well as some information about the images. Anyway, thanks so much for watching. We're quickly on our way to 11 bajillion subscribers or whatever, so, push some buttons, or something.